Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. And we are doing the revision. The topic for today is demonyms. Before we get started with that topic, I would like to point out that there was a nice suggestion made by quite a few students requesting that I conduct a test, a grammar challenge or a grammar question paper we set, something like that. And it's a very good suggestion. And so here is the good news. Very soon I'm going to you take a grammar test and I will upload about 40 questions and it will be based on the latest curriculum. So hopefully you will do well there and you will get the much needed practice just before your exams. All right, then let's dive straight into the topic for today, which is demonyms. So what exactly are demonyms and how can they be used? Are they the adjective forms? We'll find out the answers to all those questions. Well, a noun used to denote the natives or inhabitants of a particular country, state, city, region, area is a demonym. Once again, what is a demonym? A noun used to denote the natives or inhabitants of a particular country, state, city, region, etc. So let's start with a basic example. India, Indian. I love my country, no doubt about that. So India, the demonym will be Indian. So yes, in a way you can say that yes, they are the adjective forms, the inhabitants or the natives, the people who stay there, or anything belonging to that country is a demonym. India, Indian. Now using this as an example, there is an exercise of course for you to attempt. Provide the demonyms for the following, and I have no doubt guys that you will as usual do your work very sincerely. So you can at this point you can pause the video and only resume when you are ready with the answers. All right, I hope that you had paused the video because now I'm going to reveal the answers. Please be honest guys, please be honest. Here are the answers. So Cuba, Cuban, Japan, Japanese. By the way, Japan is nice pronunciation, not Japan, Japan. I agree that they're proper nouns, but Japan, Japanese. Switzerland, it's Swiss. England is English. Turkey is Turkish or Turks. But don't apply the extra logic for the next one then, because I've said Turkey is Turks doesn't mean Germany is Germs. Careful there. Very careful there. So Turkey is Turkish or Turks. Germany is German or Germanic, but German is more popular. For New Zealand, it's Kiwi or New Zealanders. France is French. We read that when we were discussing adjective forms in one of our revision videos, I believe. Scotland is Scottish or Scots. Qatar is Qatari. Greece, Greek. Iceland is Icelandic. Denmark is Danish, and by the way, it's not Danish, it's Danish, like day and night, day, Danish. Make the right sound, guys. Make the right pronunciation, and people will be impressed. Okay. So Denmark is Danish. Wales is Welsh. Peru is Peruvian. Now this is not Peru. This is Peru, and the demonym is Peruvian. The Peruvian Prime Minister visited India. Peruvian, not Peru. Okay. And Netherlands is Dutch. Well, I hope that you got 16 out of 16. 16, aren't they? Yeah. So I hope you got 16 out of 16. Whatever your score, do post it, leave your comments. And yes, as I've already said, we are going to have this grammar challenge very soon. There will be 40 grammar questions. So all the best in advance for that. Start preparing because very soon I'll post that video as well. We'll meet again soon. Do take care.